Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall market cap of the whole crypto space right now, we're currently sitting at $2.275 trillion, up 1.2% in the last 24 hours. And BTC dominance continues to pull down, guys, and we're currently sitting at 51.5%. If we're looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see a lot of green across the board. And like I said, that is to be expected because of the fact that Bitcoin dominance continues to pull further down and altcoin season is in full effect. But today I want to talk about none other than one project, and that is Cardano. So if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, guys, Cardano is currently trading at $1.45. It's up 3.8% in the last 24 hours in BTC comparative. It's up 3.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 4.1% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. Current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is top 5. And a market cap right now is a $46.3 billion with a very nice, impressive trading volume of $8.9 billion. So that goes to show there's a lot of interest right now for Cardano, and the volume speaks for itself. If we're zooming out in the last 30 days, guys, Cardano is up 36.6%, and in the last 14 days, it's up 20.1%. So everything is looking very, very nice for ADA right now. But today I want to share one article with you guys, and then we will jump into the price analysis. So Occam.fi, the first full stack DeFi layer of Cardano, is announcing a strategic partnership with leading digital asset trading venue Bitcoin.com exchange. Occam Razor provides new opportunities for projects building on Cardano to raise capital in a distributed fashion powered by decentralized liquidity pools, instrumental to unlocking Cardano's on-chain liquidity potential. To power this solution is the ability to move liquidity from other blockchains to Cardano. To power Cardano to Ethereum interoperability, Bitcoin.com will extend its custodial facilities to the Occam.fi ecosystem, facilitating the first Cardano to Ethereum cross-chain liquidity bridge. Danish, the CEO of Bitcoin.com exchange, said, "We are excited to move into the emerging Cardano DeFi market alongside the Occam.fi team. Cardano and its community have long awaited the arrival of sophisticated DeFi tools and liquidity solutions, and through the next generation of Bitcoin.com exchange and Occam Razor, we are finally poised to deliver." Mark Berger, president of Occam's Association, said, "This is one of the first steps in our vision of creating a truly flourishing DeFi ecosystem for the Cardano blockchain. We are laying on the foundations for a self-sustaining platform that will last and serve Occam.fi and Cardano communities for many years to come." Instrumental to delivering this vision is strategic partnerships with providers such as Bitcoin.com exchange, who we look forward to delivering the first cross-chain bridge for Cardano with. Any native tokens released on Cardano that is launched through the Occam Razor platform can be switched to ERC20 and vice versa using the intuitive and easy-to-use interfaces of Bitcoin.com exchange. This will provide similar functionalities to that of the Binance Smart Chain, where the destination chain is Cardano, allowing easy asset swaps and the seamless transfer of liquidity from one blockchain to another. Very, very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. But now let's jump into the price analysis for VeChain. So VeChain has been, I'm sorry, not VeChain, ADA. I'm sorry. VeChain has been doing some crazy things. So, it has been hitting all-time high after all-time high. So that is in, on my mouth. But my bad. We're talking about ADA. So ADA has been doing something very, very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting, and that is I'll explain right now. So as you guys may know, if you go on my previous videos, I did say, guys, that $1 is a very strong support for ADA, and $1.48 is a very strong resistance for ADA. we have been trading sideways since February 2021. We have been trading in this range since then. We tried to break this resistance once, twice, but recently we broke past that and we hit an all-time high, but we have pulled down, again. As you guys may know, a lot of people have been saying, oh, ADA is very boring, despite the fact that, they haven't seen how far Cardano has come over the last 2 years. It has come very, very far, and people tend to think that markets should just keep going up in one line without stopping. Guys, that's not the case. There's always going to be corrections and accumulation time, which is extremely healthy, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now in front of us for ADA. I believe Cardano's accumulation zone is coming to an end. As I said, we broke past this very strong resistance, and we hit an all-time high of $1.55, and currently we are sitting at just roughly 8% away from its all-time high. I believe if we were to get a little bit more volume kick in, we will smash past this resistance and see newer highs, and I believe $2 is the next target. And I am very confident that accumulation zone is coming to an end, and we are about to see another next leg up for Cardano. You guys know my stance for Cardano. Cardano is one of the biggest projects in the crypto space, and I believe it is going to overtake Ethereum. You guys know ETH 2.0. Obviously, ETH 2.0 is coming out and all that stuff, but I believe ETH 2.0 cannot tackle the problem for the high gas fees, and this is exactly why we are seeing a lot of interest switching into Cardano and Zilliqa, projects that are their own blockchains, and a lot of these developers are starting to look into projects like these because of that these projects outweighing Ethereum in so much more ways right now, and that's why we're seeing a lot of interest in ADA. ADA has been listed on Coinbase, which is the biggest exchange in the world, recently having an IPO. I believe this is why we are seeing a lot of green across the board, a lot of excitement, very exciting times for the crypto industry. And it's a historic time for the crypto industry as we see Coinbase go public. And I believe Cardano is just getting started. You guys see a lot of institutional interest coming into the space now. A lot of institutional investors, these sophisticated investors, are coming into the space to hedge against inflation, and they're looking into crypto. And projects like Cardano will be really appealing to them because of the fact that Cardano provides staking, and to these big investors, they like passive income. They like passive income because they're coming from traditional markets. So this will be very, very appealing to them. Obviously, there are other projects in crypto that provide higher staking rewards than ADA, but they do not have the same liquidity, guys. They do not have the same liquidity. So projects that are very high, with high communities that are developing something real, like some real use case, such as Cardano, will be more appealing to these institutional investors, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. If we look at passive income with crypto, stakingrewards.com, we are seeing Cardano at the top one asset being staked with a staked value of $33 billion. As we see more and more Cardano being staked on the markets, once the demand really kicks in and the next leg up really does occur, guys, there's going to be less Cardano on the exchanges for people to purchase. And we see that it's basic economic rule, supply and demand. Once there is a high demand and there's less supply, which is less coins on the exchange, high demand, the price will skyrocket. I believe that's exactly what we're in for. I believe the accumulation zone is coming to an end for Cardano, and we are about to see some newer highs, and $2 is my next price target for ADA once we do break this level. I strongly believe that, but only time will tell, and this is just my own personal opinion. And I want to share one thing with you guys. As you guys can see, Eurosniper on Twitter posted this. He is saying that the biggest alt run in the history is starting, and I agree with him, guys, because this is the previous bull cycle right here. We started and topped out in 2018, and our bull run that we are in started here, and we're just starting to see that breakout. And I believe we are in it for a massive, massive altcoin rally. And obviously, with this altcoin rally, Cardano is gonna go up with it. And considering what Cardano is doing, guys, Cardano is the biggest Ethereum competitor, and a lot of people are starting to realize that. And it's already listed on Coinbase. So whenever new investors do come into the markets, they can look into ADA instead of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Obviously, these new investors do not know how the circulation supply works and stuff, but still they can do more research on Cardano. So that's a big plus point for ADA. And you guys know my stance on Charles Hoskinson. He's a very, very smart man, and I believe he has a very strong vision to take ADA to literally the top. And I strongly believe, if they keep delivering how they are doing, there's obviously double staking, and if they keep on doing what they are doing, I believe ADA will take over Ethereum in the next 2 to 3 years. I do not see Ethereum lasting long, especially due to the fact of high gas fees. And there's a lot of these other projects that are way better in so many more ways, which I believe Cardano is the closest to. Cardano brings a lot of threat to Ethereum, in my opinion, and I believe Ethereum, Vitalik knows that too. Vitalik is fully aware of that, and I believe if they keep delivering, Cardano can easily take over Ethereum. But if we're looking at the Google Trends right now, we are starting to see a reversal in Google Trends. A lot of people are starting to research more about it. Obviously, as I mentioned, Coinbase recently just went public. Their IPO just basically went public, and that's a very historic moment for the crypto space. We are seeing a lot of altcoins and cryptos they're mooning right now, and people are saying that it is due to that excitement for the Coinbase going public. But there are people, no one really knows for sure. I just believe we're in a bull cycle and we are starting the next leg up, but like I said, only time will tell. But with that being said, guys, before I end this video, always do your research before investing into crypto. Always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your due diligence. I cannot stress this enough. Stay safe out there. Safety comes first. Health comes first. Family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you to all my supporters, Cardano family. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate every one of you, each and every one of you that have supported me. I really, really do appreciate it. Keep supporting me, and we will, we'll all make it. We'll all make it. Fingers crossed. But with that being said, guys, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.